I want to make money, but I don't want to recruit. What is the best way to make money passively? Investing? Not really. How much can an average person invest? $50, $100, $200, $1,000? So, even in a plan that you hear out there giving you 100% profit or 500% profit or even 1,000% profit in a year, that's going to give you maximum 10 times your money you invested, which is nothing. It's a couple of $100 or even a couple of $1,000 profit in a whole year. Is this going to change your life? Of course not. So, what is the solution? Well, it's simple. Build a network passively and make profits from each and every person of your network. Yeah, but I don't like recruiting. Don't worry, we got your back. Imagine that you just need to create a free account with us and every day watching us placing downlines under you, making your network bigger for you. Yes, you simply register free and we bring the downlines for you every single day. The next person who registers in our company will be placed under you. You will start seeing hundreds and then thousands of downlines in your own network. How can that be possible? Well, you see, we come from a digital academy with over 120,000 students. So we, as a company, are 100% confident that without you doing any efforts, you will be watching your network growing by hundreds day after day after day. So, what are you waiting for? Every single minute that you're delaying, there is someone registering in our Team Build Club. Every single minute you're still thinking about it, there is somebody joining that could have been in your network. On top of that, you will get access to all our downloadable materials of marketing strategies, millionaire secrets, training videos, videos for free tips and tricks useful to any business, training Zooms of marketing, cryptocurrency strategies, and so many more. Oh, I almost forgot. In our platform, you will be able to see your downlines details and advertise your primary business to hundreds of thousands of marketers out there like yourself. So basically, you are building your list for free. Nothing to lose, right? Create your free account now and watch your network growing in autopilot. Looking forward to see you on the other side.